How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can leave a league on FPL. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your FPL. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, you can head over to the fantasy section that is on the bottom there. After you're there, you can scroll down a bit. And there you'll find the section called Leagues and Cups. If you don't, make sure that you're on the fantasy section and not challenge or draft. After you're here, head over to this option that says Configure Leagues. And after you're there, you can then edit what's going on in the leagues, as you can see right here. So if you scroll down, you'll find your public classic leagues, your public head-to-head leagues, and general leagues. And also, you can also find your private leagues as well. So after you're here, if you want to leave the league, here you'll find the leave option right beside the league. As you can see under my public classic leagues, there is one league which I can leave by simply tapping on that and confirming it by tapping on yes, I want to leave this league. After that, you're basically good to go. And that's how you leave a league on your Fantasy Premier League. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.